Welcome back. Still the Venrap radio on the Ngadzina ni Duka and Swana and Wana and Wama Unguni. Damn it, I forgot to rock on my sporty nyana here. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're right back on. I can hear myself once again. I hope when you're still having some great time. And I hope what I'm about to say, I'm not gonna piss off a lot of people, because you know, when I want to judge everything personal. Musirichi koita hezuzitu reapedergo. Kwatisa watu vanji. Songwa don't stay single. Log in www.arjole.co.za. Need the one mufarisi one. Get yourself somebody, man. You can't be single forever. Azutu firaro. Nanga zina ni duka niswana ni mwana ndo mahungoni. And there's already ni mapungo pezi. Yeah, man. I hope from now on, some of the people or some of the artists will understand shit, what really happened, what really fucked us up as a crew, as friends, as artists that works together. So mapunganda banaona musindi aya noni unawatu banji bazutiba mrawa ngeni. We had a lot of artists that used to work together, man. I'm talking about artists zine na chidona ndore chifuna track yo dropa una wanoro una fizi una prefixi una MSK una asafu. No, more than a hustler. I mean, like Buffalo. No, but you like a lot of artists that used to work together. I'm talking. This is all artists. Phil and then I'm talking about Paperweight. I'm like yo, man. Yo, society. If you look back, this is when I'm also looking at the issue. If I'm gonna talk about. Let's say, yeah, I'm looking at the way Rangari Jincon, right? You know Jincon will be on the track in our fix. You know Jincon will be on the track, MSK. You know that Jincon will be on the track now Romeo. You know Romeo will be on the track now MSK. You know Romeo will be on the track na Fizz. You know the Waka track AP. I'm just giving names just to play around with them. I'm not really saying, yeah, there's beef between them. But the reason I'm saying that is because I've observed and I've seen most of the artists bafilori if RSG track yo dropa riba and then track ko Roman yela track chiko rwa mwaso go filora maref ne track yanga man ofne track imadzina nyanga hote isika dzina la nyinyi kana yo ruyo radio pera fa muthu na chipo bangiwa or chiko rwa ralo na wana chipo soko pfi be uri takadze is because of me arara bosinela track yasinga takadzi. Different stories that get to be said ngazi artist vachikwamba voralo na wanisa fese sorry, why are they doing that? No one's a face na ruti. Yabengwendira ine at the end of the day anyone is lani trakasi dropiwa. Acha no share nyimbo za mumwe, acha no share album ya mumwe, acha no share chinepe cha mumwe. Zwabdu dina happy birthday onani ayibona zora. I got rambero firiza chipinga. Kongwana muzi. So you find that we have issues zoraro dine bunjezi artists. They don't want to accept or maybe this guy is better than me, maybe this guy I'm working with litom tendera or rishimerot anti kendi sikonda kongo suka hone ngoraro maybe this guy abe ene anabori is part of my hustle mwasa kufunga ra anindo tendinga zuita better none ndia buku prabangwe, so I don't want to be part of the crew. I'm the leader here. Hey church pinga na honor ngozona maybe nas lyrics I don't want you. You get what I'm saying? What I'm saying Diori, we used to have hot tracks that's Pitori, man. We used to have hot tracks that's Venda, hot tracks that's on Josie. We had dope music. Right now, those artists, you don't find them working together. You don't find them trying to do things like they used to do. None whatever mbenga nyinyu konchiva nyinyu kuitamini mwana mmoja sokotela zo mange forgetting uri by the time when they were working together or rokita zo wararotangana like they were moving, they were running the street, everything was way dope. So I know that to Janaka point me. What I'm saying is Venrap yo buraiwa kaneko destroywa, kaneko dismantleiwa, kaneko bora because of egos of the artist. Yeah. When the artists zashapa yani zikala Venda zifilori bone ba special and then ndine ndakodhumisa nyi none nne ndiwakhwine kha nyi. It's like unosoko dala zwitshele, like all those things ngongwana musi so dala na mafhungo ra grand olani asa feature ne anga si dume none nne ndi nga si feature nyi ngori nyi wa mbenga. But have you ever spoken to the person trying to find out if they really hate you? Have you ever spoken to those guys or those girls trying to find ways to work things or ni kono run a business of ways yapana za music so kono chimbira? Because honestly speaking, I can tell you right now, there's so many music videos you see on TV, but those artists never get booked. And there's an artist that is not on TV, but is only on few radios and is getting booked. Then do the math. So most artists, they focus on too much negativity. Ndriva sedza uri negativity of vaiga vatozvima zvavhudi ndiri ndoona zvodzva ndogodana ka social media ne ndiri mbone vatotodita vombengwa. They always play victims kongwana to point ine zvikila career dzavanjisa dzinokila vanji va national regional local careers have been killed because of egos. Yeah, that ego that makes you feel like you're better than everyone. You are queen. None ni ninga si shumenanyi, none ninga si featuring, none ni ninga si studio chanyi, none ni ninga si ambenanyi, none ninga si share suzwanyi. All those things, guys. If there's no unity kapkati iwe, how do you expect artists to zifene zabewe zishike une zadonipa support enough? I've been to understand that the more you separate, the more you're losing fans. Because the more you work together, the more the impact. So it's something you're just doing your music and then music was not stuck on a popasi, was stuck on a payani. Auna ungona kono ruko ya one, nimusoko gungu rotobar in the radio to dundiza, none and on and never wamfuni, na lingwana and then go to Vengiwa, that's one as even organizers Zumbuzori, we went into Nyambisa Zumweb. Like really? Come on, you guys don't go to the chair. What kind of man are you? Eh? Shit. Yeah. So the issue, if we take our egos aside, man, I'm telling you, yo, man, we have the best combinations, man. I haven't had Gincon like really full-time recording like he used to. I wish he will do the same, and I hope nena waka party zinoni za mapungwa ne ori nendo wakwi nenone neti rubele zinone neti okamini. I wish Prefix is not on the same boat. I wish Miss K you not on the same boat. Mr. Kuvi, I hope you're not on the same shit. Mladene Hustler, Bomo, Misophil, man, I can name them all. Mara, I'm hoping, or guys, you're not jumping into this ship. You're trying to divide the govengiwa. Arabo you keep on working. You keep on doing what is right. Come on. Come on. Eh? Groupies comes and go. They come and go. Go. And once they go, you get another groupie. You can't behave like you just doing music for groupies, man. You can't lose best friendship and everything because of something that is only gonna last for a day, an hour, or a minute. Kongwan. Because you're chasing comments on Facebook. Because you're trying to look better than other people. Instead of growing up with those guys that you started with, you go up with them. You were doing great, working together. Some artists, you were not even good enough to be called artists. But some artists, when you builder, nakono ngwara, nakono rapper, nakono imba. And you manage to do all these things. But now you want to turn your back on those people. I can do it by myself. But then you cry all the time. Radio ni mini. Yo, let me tell you. Stop looking for trouble where there's no trouble. Stop looking for hate when there's no hate. Takwani ni shumeni te zungandrea gwen. We can't even find most of artists being booked worthy. Like book, man. They're not worth to be booked because of music waboy. It's not growing. It's not changing. There's nothing. Because they are imbing, they are imbing, and they're just embedding. Mara if they focus and do things walicha spend a chipinga wakosukuta suzwabo snapping them around, they will be far. So I'm hoping we'll Venrap this ego, man. This ego. You can't work with other people because you're better than them. Man, you need them. That's why actually work artists whack rappers, whack singers, whack writers, whack actors, they always succeed because they work even harder. They don't choose, they take whatever comes and they make it better because they practice. But because you feel like you're better than everyone, you're the best, you go right up host, I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king. Yeah, be the king, and then what does that being king pays? Eh? What does it do for you if you just being go on? You just want to be king for what? Come on. If you're not, you're not. If you'll be at your own time. Stop fighting for what you don't have. Huh? And you never have unless you work so hard and you take over. Plan, execute. Yeah, man. I'm out of time. I hope I'm going to have a second ego chat with you guys. And then you know Venrap, iko wale wanga ego as the artists zinaweza feel already they are better than others. Some were even best friends, but today they can't even get into a song together because mo ofilori ndinno ena taurimbo rutakadze. None ndinno ena taurimbo ya nuru dumese. Hey, none rimbo ya lwa ruanga. Like, what kind of jealousy is that, guys? Come on. We want those hits, man. We want those sound. We want those dope songs. You want support? Work together. You don't want support? Then you'll cry there. But I'm sorry if I've offended you. I'm sorry once again if the truth in the ego is what destroying music wa Venda. And if nasa changer, nasa mushuma to a direction, push the movement, because we used to push the movement. Whatever we did was pushing the movement. We had our differences, but when it comes to putting music on the paper, stick it on the record, put that beat, and then we made sure that shit was working. We had our differences, but we respected the craft. We worked hard, we pushed hard. So if you do the same, you work hard, you put things together, and you make sure that everything is done properly. I tell you guys, you just gonna dominate this shit, and you're gonna be bigger than what most artists were supposed to be, but they're lazy. Don't be lazing, man. Don't be lazing around. Ego is just an ego. And the more ego grows, the more this talent suffer. Let me tell you the truth. The ego grows bigger, your talent becomes smaller, smaller, smaller. And it disappears. Then you end up saying, but I was the best. I wasn't the best. Everything about Venrap. Zoba zuko mwarwanga madzina anga. Ndinena nishtamini. At that time, you did nothing. You didn't jack. Like nigga shit. All you did was putting your ego first. Let that shit go. Farani gwaba abelo zuraka mtodo ntodo sukor teku. I'm the best. I'm the big. Come on. Like I said, sometimes you're number one on your own lane because you're alone, but with others you sit in number 50 or 100. So you must learn to work to be at number one when you are with others. You know what I mean? The good, the better, the nigga, the dog, the shitty, the ratty, the thing that comes back to the same thing. They're all gonna talk about you, and when they do that, it's because you're doing something good. But when nobody's talking about you, you start saying people are hating you, you start complaining, but you forget. People stop talking about you because of your ego. People stop booking you because of your ego. People stop working with you because of the ego. People turn their back on you because of the ego. Let the ego go and work, hustle with everyone. Venrap music have been dragged down to the mud because of artist egos. Best friends become worst enemies. And worst enemies stays the same. Nothing changes on that. But in the music industry, beef gets squashed. But then if it's the ego, fuck that shit. Remain there. We got a couple of seconds and Amara here. So subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to download free music at www.venrapradiostation.co.za, www.renderfiles.co.za. You got the music there. 0826937124. The WhatsApp, the name on Twitter, venrapradio_nema. On Instagram, Fumunani, Nema Mahongoni. On Facebook. So you get me, and you can check out your partner, my dali, my sweet. You go to www.arijole.co.za. Don't be scared to hit me up on WhatsApp. Just get to the point. Don't waste time saying hi, who, ha. Some of the shit I can't read them because I don't know what you're trying to say. But get to the point. Let's talk. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Heish, ri khou dina nga vha rengisa vha kha dzi comments. Damn it. I'm out of here. Ndi ni funa zwone, a una na zwiṅwe. Nda.